In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture to your Trello account. First, make sure you're logged into Trello in your browser. Start by opening any Trello board you have access to. It can be a personal board or a team board. The important thing is that you're on the main board view where you can see your lists and cards. Now, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile icon there. If you don't have a picture yet, it might just be a colored circle with your initials, often with a small camera icon on it. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small menu related to your account. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Edit Profile Info. Click on that. Trello is part of the Atlassian family, so profile details like your picture are actually managed through your Atlassian account. On the Profile Info page, look for a line of text that says Atlassian Profile. It will be a clickable link. Click on that link and you'll be taken to the Atlassian Profile and Visibility page in a new tab. Once the Atlassian Profile page loads, you should see a larger version of your profile area near the top. If you don't have a photo yet, it will appear as a blank or generic avatar. Click directly on that blank profile space. A small menu or pop-up will appear with an option that says Add Profile Photo. Click Add Profile Photo to start choosing an image. Next, you'll be prompted to select a photo from your device. This opens your computer's file picker. Browse to the folder where your picture is stored, select the image you want to use, and confirm your selection. For best results, choose a clear image where your face is easy to see and make sure the file size isn't too large. After you've selected the image, you'll see an option that says Upload a Photo. Click on Upload a Photo to confirm that this is the picture you want to use. You may be given a chance to adjust the cropping so your face is centered. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Upload. Atlassian will save your new profile picture, and this change will automatically sync to your Trello account. If you go back to your Trello board and refresh the page, you should now see your new profile photo in the top right corner.